In today's tutorial, she has had to change her display language on her Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select where it says language and region. And then where it says preferred languages, select the add a language button right here. Locate the language or search for it up at the top field. Select next to proceed with the installation. And then once it's installed, you will have the option where it says Windows Display Language to select this dropdown, select the correct language you want, and then you will need to restart your computer for the changes to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.